Hi, I'm Mr. Jack, and we're going on a journey. Welcome back to Mr. Jack's Journey. You know, last week we were out at the E17 Vineyards, and I ran into a couple of food trucks. They're all over Nashville. I don't want you to miss them, so I'm going to share what I learned about a couple of these food trucks today. Okay, I'm at E17 Vineyards, and I'm at Cousin's Maine Lobster, which I've had before and I highly recommend. Very, very sweet lobster. And I'm with
Quinn Betts.
Quinn Betts. And Quinn, you own this franchise?
Correct, and Phoenix, Arizona.
And Phoenix, Arizona.
Yeah, so it offsets our seasonality. When it's slower here in the winter, it's busier in Phoenix, and we get to spend some time in the warm sun out there in the winter.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Did you see it on Shark Tank?
We saw it on Shark Tank, and we reached out, and we fell in love with Jim and Saban and the process, and of course the product, and here we are. Now 3 years later, we both retired from our other jobs and do this full time.
Tell me about the lobster.
It's fresh, Maine lobster, the best you can get. We only buy grade 1 lobster. So the lobster's graded in like 6 different categories, and we only buy the best lobster that you can get.
Well, how would people visiting Nashville, how are they going to find where your truck is?
So our website, cousinsmainelobster.com, we have an app. You can download our app, and it gives you a weekly rolling schedule, always. And we have 2 trucks. They're out 6 and 7 days a week, and we have the brick and mortar, the first brick and mortar, and that's in Smyrna, right off exit 70 on 24. So it's like
That's
20 minutes outside.
Very
first, yeah. But 20 minutes outside of downtown Nashville. And we have offerings there that we don't have on the truck, such as whole belly, Maine fried clams, we have a lobster BLT. So we have a few things there that we just can't do with limited space on the trucks.
I'll say, having eaten several of these, it really is good. I don't know what else to say. It's just very, very good food.
Thanks.
Well, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thanks.
All right. Okay, food truck number 2 out here. This is Music City Brisket. I had such good luck getting an interview. What do you say we try it again?
Well, so yeah, we're the Music City Brisket truck. Well, you know, we did a 12-hour smoked brisket, which we slice into strips, and we make it into, you know, our sandwiches and our loaded fries and stuff like that.
So your specialty is just brisket and fries?
Well, I mean,
you got shrimp tacos.
Yeah, we got some shrimp tacos, we got some quick food and stuff like that, but again, the avocado fries is something that's really special that we do, like, and that's exactly what you think it is, man. Just egg wash and panko around some avocado. We deep fry it for about 2.5 minutes, and it comes out crispy golden brown, and it's delicious.
Really?
Yeah, man. So it's like, it's really prep intensive work because
if somebody wants to follow you,
oh yeah,
if they want to find where you are.
Oh, we got our Instagram and stuff over here on the side of the truck, just at Music City Brisket, you know, musiccitybrisket.com.
Can they find where your truck is?
Oh, yeah, if you follow us on Facebook, every day we'll update and we'll let you guys know like where we're going to be at and stuff like that on our Facebook, Music City Brisket.
All right, thank you.
All right, I'm going to put on my hat now.
Wow, you just cannot imagine the smell out here, and it looks like I'm going to get a free lunch out of it. I'll let you know.